What's up, everybody? It's your boy Walkie Mondu, back with Rinse Garage, and today we have Foster. No, I'm just kidding. Actually, what we have today is we're getting back in this thing. We're getting back in the Z. We're gonna make this happen. Gonna see how far I can get. I'm gonna try to get it. I'm gonna try to get this thing done. I'm gonna try to get it done today or tomorrow. It's gonna happen. I can't keep screwing around. The procrastination is real with this thing. But for right now, what I'm gonna end up doing is I'm gonna take all these little hoses off right here. That hose there that goes all the way up under there. Yeah, I'm gonna have to like remove all that stuff and get that hose out. And then there's another hose way back there. You can see that thing right there. That hose there is gonna have to come out because I want to replace it. It's far in the depths. It's probably gonna suck. And as you can see, there's a bolt, a couple of bolts right back, way back there, that I'm gonna have to remove. And I might need some specialty tools. I don't know. I'm gonna see if I have what I need to take that off. If not, I might have to go to the store and get something that would work in there. But yeah, that's about the plan for right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started in that, and start removing some stuff, and time lapse. Alright guys, so what I'm going to end up doing is taking off this coolant temperature sensor right here. Here's the cord to it. I'm going to go and take that off and replace that, since I went ahead and took off the back plate and the cam gears. And as you can see, this cam gear right here, it's pretty nasty. It's leaking pretty bad. Well, not bad, but bad enough for me to, yeah, it's bad. I'm going to change that. This one is not leaking at all, but I think I'm going to go ahead and change it anyway. And I do have a sneaking suspicion that the crank gear seal is gonna also be leaking as well. Guess I'll go ahead and remove that. I put all my marks on the belt and exactly where they should be on the cam gear, but since I should be fine with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and as you can see, I got all the hoses, that little hose that goes on here removed, and this one is a little funky, so I'll probably just clean that up as well with like a wire brush. Maybe throw a little paint on there, I don't know, to keep it from rusting any further. Same thing with this, just clean up all these little nubs and edges and stuff like that. Yeah, I'll go ahead and get started on that stuff, and then I guess I can start putting it back together. I still have to go to the store and grab some more hoses. And I do need one more cam seal. Unfortunately, I ordered a cam seal. It said it was a set, but it only ended up being one. So, yeah, I'm just going to keep chucking here, and I'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, as you can see, I went ahead and took out the cam seals. Both of them are out. I tried my best not to scratch anything, but you know, some stuff is just kind of inevitable. So I do have, I don't know if you can see that, but there is I did a little scratchy right there. But I don't think it's anything really bad, as long as I don't scratch the cams, which I did not. I'm gonna go ahead and take the rest of this stuff off, since I've already just kind of yeah, you can see I just kind of just took the whole damn thing. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and just do that. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and just do that, and get the rest of this stuff out of here. And make sure it's all cleaned up in there, and then I'll put everything back together since I have everything marked. And yeah, so we're just gonna keep moving with this thing. See you in a bit. By the way, I just kind of wanted to show you this thing here. This is the CHTS, I believe, which is the coolant head temperature sensor, and you can see there's a lot of gunk in there, and it just looks really old. And I'm gonna go ahead and replace that as well. So just to let you know, this thing right here, the connector, it's a piece of crap. It looks like it's all beat down and it's crusty. So I'll probably snip and splice on a new one just to make sure I have a good connection. So yeah, so for that, that's what I'm gonna do.
Wavves.
Alright guys, as you can see, I ended up breaking the table out because I put this thing right here. I'm gonna go ahead and start wire brushing and cleaning off this little top here, this thing here. And also I'm going to, well, as you can see, I ended up putting these seals in right here. 1, 2, and then I did the crank seal as well. You can see that. So all the seals, new seals are in. I just gotta clean up that and this thing right here. So once all that stuff's cleaned out and that's all done, I had to wait a little bit. I had to I had to go ahead and order a couple of parts. Some of the stuff just wasn't here. So I ordered a coolant head temperature sensor. I also ordered all the hoses that I need, and all that stuff should be in tomorrow. So that's good. Hopefully I can go ahead and start putting that part back together. But for the most part, seals are in. Yeah, just got to do some cleanup, and I'll probably just stop it there for tonight, and then I'll get back with you when the rest of the stuff is here. So enjoy this time lapse. everybody, this kind of concludes where I'm. This kind of concludes it for tonight. I ended up putting. Okay, well, you know, I had the seals in, and I put the timing gear back on, and it appears to still be right on time, like it should be. I ended up cleaning off all of the old gasket off the water pump, and off of this here water neck right there. See if I can focus that in. So that little water neck right here is all nice and clean. Yeah, that's about as far as I can go right now until I can get the sensor right there in that little, in this hole right under here. That hole right there. That's where the sensor goes. So I'm waiting for a sensor to come in. It should be here tomorrow. So once the sensor gets here, I can put the sensor in, and I think the other car may have a decent plug that I can kind of just kind of snatch one off of there and put it back on. So that should be it for now, guys. Tomorrow I'll come back out here. Hopefully I'll have all the parts. If not, hey, I'll see you next time on Wrench Garage. Peace out.